begin with our today's EVS class. So class, till now we have we have learned about different festivals, how we celebrate, why we celebrate and when we celebrate, isn't it? I have told you the months in which these festivals fall. Then the national festivals, they are having fixed date. They are already fixed that on which date we celebrate these national festivals, isn't it? So by now you all must have learnt about different festivals. So today it's time to learn the name or spelling of these festivals. Clear? So what we are going to do? We are going to write the name of the festivals in our notebook today. Clear? So let's start with the work. So what we'll do, one by one we'll write the name of all the religious festivals that we celebrate. Today we are going to do it with religious festivals. We'll write the name of religious festivals, and in the next class I'll make you write the name of national festivals. Okay? So let's begin with the work. Great. So what do you have to do? Notebook. How you are going to work in notebook, I'll tell you later. First, look carefully how I am writing the name of different festivals, how you have to spell them, and phonetically अगर आप लिखना start करेंगे तो you yourself can write the names. Okay, let's begin now. So notebook I'll show you later. Let's start. 1. We have to write the numbers also. Don't forget to write the numbers on the towards the left hand side of the margin. Clear? So the first festival we are going to write is Holi. Yes. H-O-L-I. Holy. Holy. Isn't it? So you all know the phonic sounds. अगर आप phonic sounds के साथ लिखेंगे, you are able to write. You will be able to write it yourself. H-O-L-I. Holi. And Holi is also known as the festival of colors. Very good. Now next, number 2. We'll write, tell me the name of festival which is also known as festival of lights. So can you tell me the name? Which name should I write here? Festival of lights? Diwali. Very good. So we'll write D-I-W-A-L-I. So like this, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. And Diwali is also known as festival of lights. Very good. Okay. Now can you tell me the festival which is coming? Sunday ko. Which festival is coming on Sunday? Coming Sunday we are having a very big festival. A festival which is also remembered as the victory of truth over evil. Yeah, victory of good over evil. So can you tell me the name? Dussehra. Yes. So on Dussehra we burn the effigies of, effigies का मतलब होता है पुतले. So on Dussehra we burn the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran. Isn't it? So let's write the name of the festival. Dussehra. D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Now repeat with me. D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Dussehra. Clear? So now next festival. Next will be the harvesting festival of India. Which is the harvesting festival? Yes, tell me the name. In the festival on which we cut the crops. Harvesting festival of India. Baisakhi. Very good. So we'll write the name here. Baisakhi. 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 Isn't it? B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I. Baisakhi. And it is also known as the harvesting festival of India. Clear everyone? Okay. Now next. Yes, a festival celebrated by a brother sister together. It is also referred as the bond of their love. Raksha Bandhan, very good. The name of this festival is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha is to protect, Bandhan means bandhna, है ना? So let's write that. Raksha, R-A-K-S-H-A, Raksha Bandhan, B-A-N-D-H-A-N, Bandhan. बहुत बिग स्पेलिंग है, इजी वे टू लर्न इज रक्षा, R-A-K रक्षा, रक्षा, बंधन, B-A-N बन, D-H-A-N धन, तो रक्षा बंधन. सो व्हेन यू विल ब्रेक द स्पेलिंग्स, ब्रेक करिए उनकी फोनेटिक साउंड्स की तरह एंड देन से देयर साउंड्स एंड देन यू कैन लर्न इट. कोई भी बिग स्पेलिंग है, द इजी and the very best way to learn is to break the spelling. Now see, raksha, raksha आ गया, 3 letters के learn करिए, 3 letters में break करिए. raksha, raksha हो गया. Now this is bandhan, raksha bandhan. Clear? Don't get afraid कि mama बहुत big spelling है, how will I learn? No, same is with this बैसाखी, बैसाखी, दशहरा, दशहरा, दिवाली, होली. क्लियर? सो आप जब इसको ब्रेक कर करके लर्न करोगे, इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी टू लर्न दीज स्पेलिंग्स. अंडरस्टूड ऑल? ओके. नाउ आफ्टर रक्षा बंधन, the next festival we are going to learn is a festival which is celebrated by Sikh community, and the festival which is also referred as the birthday of their 10th Guru. This festival name is also begins with Guru. So what is that? Guru Parv. Very good. So Guru. See now, Guru. Guru Parv. Parv. Guru Parv. Clear? Okay. Now after Guru Parv, next we are going to write a festival which is celebrated by Muslim community. People of this community, they go to mosque, they wear new clothes and they hug each other and they say Eid Mubarak. Yes, the name of the festival is Eid. So you can write Eid. I-D-E. So if this I is not easy to understand, then you can also write it like this, E. Understood all? Okay. Now the last festival which we are going to learn about is the festival that is celebrated by Christians in the month of December. And Santa Claus come on this day singing jingle bells, jingle bells. Yes, so the name of this festival is Christmas. Very good. So the name is Christmas. Now C-H-R-I-S-T, Christmas. Christmas. Understood everyone? Why I have told you, yeah, why I have written these names, telling you about something related to this festival. As I told you earlier also, जब आप किसी स्टोरी फॉर्म में कुछ लर्न करते हो, जब आप उसको किसी चीज के साथ एसोसिएट करके, किसी चीज के साथ मिला के उसको लर्न करते हो, as I told you regarding that pot, है ना? तो जब आप उस तरह से लर्न करते हो, it will be easy for you to remember it. Now Holi, festival of colors. Holi colors, colors से याद आता है होली. Lights, हम सब अपने घर को लाइट से डेकोरेट करते हैं, तो फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. दिवाली. Then we have Dashera, victory of truth over, yes, victory of good over evil, or you can say truth over lie. Then we have Baisakhi, harvesting festival. Crops को काटा जाता है जिस फेस्टिवल पे. Then we have Raksha Bandhan, bond of love between a brother and sister. Guru Parv, गुरु से ध्यान में आता है. Yes, The birthday of 10th Guru, Sikh community celebrate. People go to Gurudwaras, Guru Parv, Gurudwara. So you can just correlate with each other. Then next we have Eid. Eid Mubarak. Who do that? Muslim community. They go to mosque. Then next we have is Christmas. Jingle bells, Santa Claus. So when you remember the Santa Claus and jingle bells, Christmas will automatically come to your mind. Clear? Okay. Now these are few religious festivals that we celebrate. Now what you have to do? You are going to do this work in notebook. Clear? Do this work in your notebook. So open your notebook, EVS notebook. Don't open your English notebook. I am telling you once again. Open your EVS notebook. So this is your EVS topic. We are going to do this work in EVS notebook. Clear? EVS notebook open kariye and then we'll see how we are going to write the name of these festivals in notebook. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to write the name of different festivals in our notebook today. Okay? So first we are going to write today's date. So what is the date today? 22nd October 2020. Clear? So the date is clear to you. You have to write your date here. And after writing the date, what you have to do? You are going to write CW here. Yes. So we'll write CW. Is that clear to all? Now we'll start writing the name of different festivals. Clear? So let's begin with that now. Number 1. So the first festival we are going to write is Holi. H-O-L-I. Holi. Now second. The next festival, the name of next festival which we are going to write is Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Is that clear? First is Holi. Second is Diwali. Now moving to the next festival which we are going to write is the harvesting festival of India. So which is the harvesting festival of India? Baisakhi. Yes. So we are going to write Baisakhi. Baisakhi. B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I. Baisakhi. Understood that? Now moving ahead, which is the next festival we are going to write? The festival of love, the bond of love between brother and sister. So can you tell me the name of that festival? Which festival is that? Raksha Bandhan. Yes. So we are going to write Raksha. R-A-K-S-H-A. Raksha Bandhan. B-A-N-D-H-A-N. Raksha Bandhan. Clear? Now, next. So, which is the next festival we are going to write? So, we have written Holi. Then we have written Diwali. We have written Baisakhi. Raksha Bandhan. So, which is the next festival we are going to write here? Guru Parv. So, can anyone tell me who celebrates this festival? Yes, it is celebrated by Sikh community and they go to Gurudwaras. Guru Parv. Done? Now, the name of next festival that we are going to write here is, can anyone tell me? A festival which is celebrated by Muslim community, and on this day they go to mosque, they wear different colorful clothes, new clothes, and they say Eid Mubarak. So the name of this festival is Eid. I-D, Eid. Clear? Now next festival. So which is the next festival? Yes, jingle bells, jingle all the way. So now you come to know which festival I am talking about. Christmas. So let's write that. CHRISTMAS. 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 Understood that? Is that clear to all? So, what you are going to do, you are going to write the name of these festivals, that is Holi, Diwali, Baisakhi, Raksha Bandhan, Guru Parv, Eid and Christmas. Clear? So class, this is your today's classwork. Isn't it? This is your classwork. So what's your homework? Homework is first you are going to write same as classwork. So once you will write the name of these festivals as today's classwork and once as homework. And after writing them, what you will do? You will learn them. Learn them. Clear? What you have to learn? So one homework is this and the other one is you have to learn the name of all these festivals with their spellings. Clear everyone? So class, I hope you have understood your today's work, your EVS work. Complete your work once as classwork and you have to practice it once more as your homework. So when you write these names again and again, you will be able to learn them also. Clear? Finish your work, share your work with me and one thing more, don't forget to learn them. So one more homework is, so a part of this homework, one more homework I am giving you is learn them. Clear? So Saturday and Sunday 2 days holidays are coming. What you can do? You can learn these names in these 2 days. Clear? एक दिन में सारे नहीं करना है. Don't do it like that. So you have 8 names. Learn 4 names one day and the other 4 names on other day. And when you learn them, write them also. जब spelling learn कर लेते हैं, you keep on writing. Learn करके जब आप लिखते हो, then आपको अच्छे से learn हो जाता है. आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाती है. स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न करके लिखना इज द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न अ पर्टिकुलर स्पेलिंग. ओरली लर्न करना है, क्रैम करना है पैरेट की तरह, दैट इज ऑफ नो यूज. क्लियर? सो लर्न एंड राइट इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ लर्निंग समथिंग. कीप राइटिंग, उससे आपकी राइटिंग भी अच्छी हो जाएगी एंड योर स्पेलिंग्स विल ऑल्सो गो वेरी. ओके, बाय फॉर नाउ एंड टेक केयर.